take a look at this amazing text animation. You can use it for your video intros, brand reveals, or any type of ad intro to make your project stand out instantly. Let's open Canva and learn step by step how I created this text animation from scratch. Start by choosing any frame or canvas size you like, depending on where you want to use your animation, such as YouTube, Instagram, or ads. Once you've chosen your frame, go to the text section and type the words you want. It could be your brand name, intro title, or any message that fits your design. Now click here to change the font style and choose the one that best matches your design and mood. Try a few until you find the perfect fit. Next, click on Advanced Settings and increase the text spacing a little. This gives your design a cleaner, more balanced look. After finalizing your design, open the Share menu and select Download. Choose PNG as the file type for the best quality output, and make sure to enable transparent background. Now head over to the Upload section and import the design you just downloaded. Next, select this text and click on the Delete icon to remove it from your design. Now import the text design from your uploads, the same one you added earlier. Adjust the design size as needed to fit your layout perfectly. Once you're satisfied, click on the Duplicate button to create a copy of your design for further editing or animation. Click and hold this point, then drag it downward to adjust the shape. Repeat the same process on the opposite side to keep your design perfectly balanced. Now, go to the text section and choose the style you want to use. Place your selected text neatly in the gap between your design elements to create a balanced and stylish layout. Next, increase the letter spacing slightly. This small adjustment makes your text look cleaner, more elegant, and visually appealing. Now, select the top part of your design and click on Animate. Choose the Rise animation to give it a smooth upward motion. Then scroll down to adjust the animation speed. Set it to 0 for a slower, elegant effect. Finally, click the downward direction option here to control the animation flow. Now, repeat the same process with the second part of your design. Apply the same animation settings to keep both sections perfectly synchronized and visually consistent. Now animate the center text. Open the Animate tab, preview a few options, and apply the animation that best complements your design. Adjust the speed and direction until it feels smooth and balanced with the other parts. Next, click here to change the background color and pick the shade that best matches your design style. Once you're happy with the colors, click here to preview the final look of your design and see how everything comes together beautifully.